Welcome back to Futures Chart Academy. I'm Trader Don. Let's take a look at the MNQ futures chart during the New York session and see what happened for Thursday, July 30th. First of all, if you watched my previous video from yesterday, I had put all the key levels on the chart, and then this morning, about an hour before the New York session opened, I added the New York session high of 28034 and the New York session low of 27466. So if you take a look at the chart, you can see quite early the Thursday high was hit, I believe, during the Asian session right here. We'll put a check mark on that one. The adjusted high that I posted yesterday of 27876, that one got hit right before the New York Open, or right about the beginning of the New York Open. And I added a New York session high of 28034. That also got hit quite early in the session. And once again, we are up against what I had talked about previously, this 1 hour supply resistance wall from May 5th that goes from right around, let's see, about 28,250 approximately to, let's say, 28,380. That is that wall that we do not know if we can get through. And we still have time left in the session before it ends. You can see the closing session, the closing bell over here, and then the futures go for 1 more hour. So the question is, for the rest of the day, are we going to continue up and try to bust through this wall? Or are we possibly going to come back down a little bit and come down somewhere between the New York session high and the adjusted high, or maybe even Thursday high? We don't know what the rest of the day will bring, but I just wanted to give you a little update on the MNQ futures for the New York session. Posted these levels yesterday. We hit a lot of them. So if you like what I'm doing here, put a comment down below. Let me know, do you trade MNQ futures or do you trade another future product like MES? Just let me know. Please do like and subscribe and share the video. That's how I want to grow this channel. Want you to get some value out of it in the future. I also give you some lessons. Hey, you guys have a great Thursday, and I'll see you in the next one.